Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we'll be making some jerk turkey, Jamaican style. I'll be using 2 large lime to wash the turkey. Followed by 1 cup of vinegar. Now I'm gonna rub the lime all over the turkey. I want to give this turkey a good wash so I can get rid of the raw scent. I'm going to wash this turkey thoroughly so it can be nice and clean. And now I'm gonna rinse the turkey using some cold water. And now I'm gonna stretch the skin of the turkey. The reason why I'm stretching the skin of the turkey so I can apply my jerk butter so my turkey can be moist and juicy and at the same time flavorful. I'm gonna turn up the flavor in this turkey. And now it's time to apply the jerk butter underneath the skin of the turkey. This will give the turkey a lot of flavor and at the same time let it be moist and juicy when it's jerking. I'm gonna pack a lot of jerk butter underneath the skin of the turkey so this turkey can be extra flavorful, juicy, moist and tender. Now I'm gonna apply 1 cup of Maggi all-purpose on the turkey. This will give the turkey some extra flavor. I'm just gonna turn up the flavor into this turkey. Yeah, man. Now I'm going to apply 1 cup of Jamaican jerk rub on the turkey. You want to rub in your seasoning in the turkey so it can soak deep inside the turkey so the turkey can get a lot of flavor. And now it's time to apply my homemade jerk marinade on the turkey. I'm gonna rub this into the turkey so it can soak deep in the turkey. Guys, remember this turkey is a thick meat. It's very thick. So you want to season it thoroughly. You want to season your turkey well, so it can have a lot of flavor and it's done jerking. I'm gonna let this turkey marinate for 48 hours in the refrigerator. First, I'm gonna cover it with some foil paper and then I'll put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for 48 hours. Then I'll see you on the grill. And now it's time to light up the smoker. I'll be using apple wood to smoke the turkey, and I'll be also doing indirect heat to help cook the turkey. And now I'm gonna add some apple wood to the smoker. This other side that I'm lighting up, this is for the indirect heat to help cook the turkey. Right here I'm just using some coconut shell to help catch the fire more quicker. Now I'm gonna spray some grill cooking spray on the grill so the turkey will not stick when I put it on the grill. And here it is, guys, my turkey that has been marinating for 48 hours in the refrigerator. Now it's time to put them on the grill. I'll be jerk smoking this turkey for 5 hours at 350 degrees. Now it's time to check on the turkey. Yeah, these turkey look good. I'll be spraying down this turkey with some beer to give it some extra flavor, and also to let it be moist and juicy when it's done. And now it's time to flip this turkey. This look good. The turkey is starting to get some color. After 2.5 hours, the turkey is looking really good. Check out those grill marks on the turkey, guys. And the turkey is not even done. This turkey is gonna be so good. Really delicious. Yeah, man, check them out. Look good, huh? Now it's time to check on the turkey once again. Guys, if you're gonna try this recipe, you wanna check on the turkey every 5 minutes and spray it down with some beer to keep it moist and juicy and to give it that extra flavor. Now it's time to check on the turkey once again. I'm gonna keep on spraying down my turkey with the beer to keep it moist and juicy and flavorful at the same time. Authentic Jamaican style turkey. Adatagwan, Pawatagwan. Look good, though. Stay tuned for the end result. Now I'm gonna check on the turkey once again and continue to spray it down with the beer to keep it moist and juicy. Guys, I know that the process might seem long, but it will worth it at the end. This turkey looks so moist, so juicy, and so flavorful. This turkey is gonna be so good. Yeah, man. Finger licking, mouth watering good. Yeah, man. This Thanksgiving, this turkey will be the center of attention. Yeah, everyone will talk about this turkey. After 4.5 hours, this is what my turkey looks like. Check it out. This is looking really good. Authentic Jamaican jerk turkey. Now I'm gonna apply some homemade barbecue sauce on the turkey and let this cook for an additional 30 minutes. Then I'll take it off the grill. Stay tuned for the end result. Now I'm gonna flip this turkey and add barbecue sauce on the other side of the turkey. Now I'm gonna add barbecue sauce to the other side of the turkey and let this cook for an additional 30 minutes. Then my turkey should be done. This is looking really good. Mouth watering. Yeah, man. After 5 hours, my turkey is done. Now it's time to take them off the grill. This looks so moist, juicy, flavorful, delicious. I can't wait to bite into this turkey. Check it out, guys. Authentic Jamaican jerk turkey. See you when it's time for plating. And here it is, guys, the finished product. Jerk turkey. Look good, huh? Yeah, man. For real. Now it's time to slice up the turkey for plating. Look how juicy this turkey is, guys. I could not wait for the plating. I have to try this turkey, trust me. This tastes so good. Yeah, man. And here's the plating with sides of vegetable mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, corn, kale and radish, and tomatoes. Look good, huh? And now it's time to try this beautiful dinner that I dig in on the vegetable mashed potatoes. This tastes so good. And now it's time to try the turkey, the star of the dish. This tastes so flavorful, guys. If you could only taste this. Now it's time to try the mac and cheese. This tastes really flavorful. Yeah, man, the real deal. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. One love. Bless.